Hey there, fellow content creators and personal finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to Small Wallet, where we explore the fascinating world of AI. Today we're diving into the realm of housing and exploring how AI can revolutionize this space. But before we get started, let me tell you something exciting. We have some AI dad jokes coming your way later in the video, so stick around till the end for a good laugh. Picture this. You're trying to find affordable housing in an emerging market, but it feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Well, fear not. AI is here to save the day. It's like having a superhero wallet that's small but mighty, just like our small wallet. So let's explore how AI can help you find that perfect dream home without breaking the bank. Did you know that AI can analyze data on housing demand and supply? It's like having a real estate agent with a super-powered brain. AI algorithms can identify areas where there's a high demand for housing. For instance, in India, AI can predict future housing demand based on factors like population growth and urbanization. This helps developers create new housing projects exactly where they're needed most. Now, let's talk about building information modeling, BIM, and simulation tools. It may sound fancy, but these AI-powered tools can design low-cost, energy-efficient, and climate-resilient housing. They optimize building designs in a virtual environment, just like trying out different outfits before a big event. In Africa, these tools are a game changer, making housing construction more affordable and accessible for informal households. Accessing finance for housing can be a challenge, especially for informal households. But fear not, AI is here once again. Machine learning algorithms can assess the creditworthiness of households, helping identify those who need financial assistance the most. Imagine AI becoming your financial advisor, guiding you towards the loan or assistance you need. In Latin America, AI-based microfinance platforms are already making dreams of owning a home a reality for many. Now let's not forget about the environment. AI can make housing greener and more resilient in the face of climate change. Picture this: predictive maintenance algorithms that can predict when equipment or systems in a building are likely to fail. It's like having a superhero handyman, fixing issues before they even occur. This not only saves costs, but also ensures the safety and comfort of residents during extreme weather events. And there you have it, folks. AI is truly transforming the world of housing, making it more affordable, efficient, and sustainable. We hope you enjoyed this exciting journey with Small Wallet. But hold on, we promised you some AI dad jokes and we wouldn't want to disappoint. So stay tuned for some rib-tickling AI humor in 3, 2, 1. Why did the AI decide to become a real estate agent? Because it wanted to find a bite-sized dream home. Why did the robot love duplexes? It thought they were doubly efficient. What did the AI say to the homeowner? I'm here to make your home smarter and your wallet happier. We hope those jokes brought a smile to your face. If you enjoyed them, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more AI dad jokes and exciting content coming your way in future videos. So stay tuned for that and make sure to check out our previous videos for even more AI goodness. Thanks for joining us on this AI-powered adventure in the world of housing. Remember, with AI by our side, everyone can have a safe and affordable place to call home. Until next time, this is Small Wallet signing off.